You broke my heart a million times. Can't count the times I made you cry.
We all have that one job that we absolutely hate, and mine is cleaning the oven glass. So I thought I'd do a very quick video to demonstrate how I clean my oven glass and show you how quick and easy I do it using the Barkeepers Friend stain remover. So I'm reviewing this product today for you, and it's not sponsored, it's not an advert or anything like that. As you all know, Barkeepers Friend is one of my favourite cleaning products. It's safe and it does the job. So if your oven is similar to mine, you'll need a screwdriver to remove the glass. If yours doesn't have screws to remove the glass, then you'll skip that step. You'll need a wet microfiber cloth. I tend to use a dark one in the oven just because it does get marked. Those yellow stains on that glass drive me insane, and if I was to use a light cloth, I think that would make me feel worse. So I like to use a dark cloth to hide all the grease and grime. I've cleaned one little spot, and as you can see, the glass is coming up lovely. It works every time and it's brilliant.
To work things out, to work things out. Can we be honest? You're my comfort zone. Whatever I say, don't let me go. I know you're angry, babe.
When you're removing the glass from the oven lid, be careful that the oven lid doesn't spring back up, because the glass gives the oven door its weight to stay open. So when you do take it out, it will lift up quite quickly, so do be careful. I'm using a gentle white scourer just to lift off any marks that I couldn't get with the microfiber cloth, and a good old glass cloth to give it that lovely shine. I spun the glass around and done the other side too, as you can see, and it's come up lovely.
Even the worst ones, hey, they make me smile. I stop the world if it would give us time, yeah, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, yeah, yeah, to work things out, to work things out.
That's it. Easy as pie, hardly any elbow grease whatsoever. It took me literally about 6 minutes to clean the oven glass, and the oven is nice and clean. I highly recommend Barkeepers Friend. It's safe and it does the job lovely. As you can see, there's the before picture where it's looking quite grimy and yellow, and after it's that sparkly, you can see the kitchen window reflected. Perfect. Hope you all have a lovely day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and I'll see you all soon.